What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. In today's video, we're going to be talking about August obsessions. This is the best in beauty and lifestyle for the whole entire month. A hot minute since I just chatted with you guys about beauty products, lifestyle items. It's been about a good week and a half or so. Good to be back here up on the tube and filming and just chatting with you guys. In case you guys are new here, I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you guys to be a part of the fam. The first item I wanted to mention is a portable oil diffuser, and this is from the brand MONQ. Now this video is in partnership with MONQ, so thank you so much to MONQ for partnering with me for this video. This set is actually a trio. You can purchase these individually. There are different types of aromatherapy that you guys can choose from. The ones I have here are active, sexy, and sleepy. They also included this other one, which is a limited edition pre-release, and this is called Relief. For Relief, it contains black pepper, orange, and sage. So just a little disclaimer before I continue, I just want to let you guys know that this product does not contain any nicotine, does not contain any tobacco, any artificial ingredients, no GMOs. It only contains 3 ingredients: essential oils, vegetable glycerin, as well as water. So basically what you do, pop off the lid, what the oil diffuser looks like, which does look very similar to an e-cigarette, minus all the nicotine, the tobacco. You have a little hole up here. This is where you're supposed to inhale it through your mouth, and then you exhale through your nose. I've also seen some people just kind of exhale it through their mouth. I believe this will last you about 200 breaths, so you're advised to take about 2 to 3 breaths per day. Taste and smell the sage and a bit of that orange, which I personally do like. I love how it has a little light at the end once you inhale it. Second favorite would have to be Sexy. Sexy contains jasmine, lime, and patchouli. I'm a huge fan of jasmine. As many of you guys know, I absolutely love jasmine green tea. Inhale it through your mouth. You don't inhale it all the way back into your lungs. If you ask me which ones are my favorite from these, it would definitely have to be Sexy and also Active. I really love the way how these two smell and also the way how they taste. I'll link MONQ down below in the description box, including a coupon code where you can receive some money off. I have to say, you guys, I really have been enjoying MONQ portable essential oil diffusers. I think they're so great, and they're really intriguing when you see them. Stand for my phone. This is made of metal. This is in the color rose gold. You can place your phone this way or this way. I love how it has this opening right here, so if you're charging your phone, you can kind of stick the cords right through. You can also change the angle of the stand. It's definitely very heavy duty. It was really inexpensive off of Amazon. They come in a couple different colors. When I stand at my desk, I like to have my phone right next to me if I'm listening to YouTube videos. Such a great tool to have. It's very convenient. Plus, I like how it has the rubber grip at the bottom right here where you place the phone, and then right up here at the top. So it's definitely slide resistant. Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Remover. It removes hair instantly and pain-free. I purchased this at Walgreens. I was really intrigued by it. I have sideburns and I have some little peach fuzz on my face, which always annoys me. So I decided to try this, and it's very gentle. I gotta tell you guys, really gentle. So it's kind of like the rose gold edition, a little light, and it's very gentle to the touch. So you're just supposed to use this circular motions on the face, and it completely just removes the hair. It leaves your face feeling very soft, and you can instantly notice once you use this and then apply your makeup, it lays so much smoother on your skin. I gotta give it hands down this month to the Profusion Sienna's 21 shade eyeshadow palette. It's the shadows that I'm wearing today. I have been really just enjoying these shadows. They're so affordable. They blend out so easily. They're very pigmented, and the price point is definitely It's a steal with this eyeshadow palette. Now you can purchase this at Target as well as the Profusion Cosmetics website. It's also limited edition. I'm gonna link it down below because it is such a great palette. I really think that they should make this permanent because these colors are perfect for the fall season. Such a big fan of Esqido mink lashes, which are cruelty free, by the way. They are such luxe lashes that I honestly believe in this brand. Their lashes are very comfortable, which I'm wearing today. They're in the style Lash Name Desire. Love these because they are tapered towards the middle and then they kind of flare out. They lengthen towards the ends, which I really like. I can still wear my eyeglasses with these. I don't have a problem. They feel very comfortable. The lip combo I've been obsessed with this month, and I am also wearing today, is from the brand Kat Von D. It's the Everlasting Lip Liner Crayon in the shade Lolita. So it's one of the retractable lip liners. Ooh, no, it just broke. Here is Lolita. Combination with the Kokie Kissable Liquid Lipstick. This is a matte liquid lipstick in the shade Nirvana. A doe foot applicator, and let me swatch this. A mauvey pink, and it has a matte finish, but it's a comfortable matte. I will say though, it can be a tad bit drying, so what I like to do is I'll apply some of the Laneige lip sleeping mask like right in the center. That's just me because my lips can be quite dry, but I love the combination of the two. I finally saw the Kokie display stands at my local Rite Aid, which I'm so happy about because I purchased this off of the SHOPHUSH website, but I really wasn't sure on how it would look in person. So now I'm glad there's an actual display at Rite Aid. Schwarzkopf Gliss Hair Repair with Liquid Keratin. This is the oil nutritive shampoo, which contains 8 beauty oils, nourishment and split end relief for longer hair prone to split ends, and also the Gliss conditioner. I know my friend Lizzie, What Would Lizzie Do, here on YouTube, she is a brand ambassador for Gliss. I know she really believes in this shampoo and conditioner. Using this for a month, and oh my gosh, you guys, my hair just so super soft and conditioned. I know it says it contains 8 different blends of oils, so when I hear that, I get kind of scared because or at least my hair used to be really oily, especially by the roots, but I was pleasantly surprised that it didn't do that, and it left my hair feeling very conditioned, very moisturized, because I do flat iron it. I use hot tools in my hair, but this is such a great shampoo and conditioner. Highly recommend you guys check this out. It's drugstore. I got this for like 2 for $10. Definitely check it out because I think you guys will enjoy this. A dry shampoo slash sprucing up your hair when you want to give it some extra volume. So this is from the brand Bad Baby. It's the Hair Emergency Pen. It's instant refresh, volume, condition, and shine. It contains natural milk thistle oil, apricot butter, and vitamin E. So it's essentially like a small little dry shampoo that does not have the white powdery look when you apply it in your hair. The first time I sprayed this in my hair, all I could think of was, wow, this smells amazing, and it's like so compact, it's so small that you could just throw this in your bag. It's not going to take up a ton of space. So spray this in my hair for you guys so you guys can see, but you definitely just need a little bit, and you can smell it. It doesn't smell like product, is one of the best things about it. So it just gives your hair like a little bit of a revival. If you have some of that excess oil, it will soak up the product. You're supposed to be able to get up to 200 spritz in here. I think it just really depends though on your hair length, how much oil your hair has produced, but I think it is such a great find. I know it's also very inexpensive. Now, last but not the least from my obsessions for the month is going to Pacifica, and this is called the Underarm Deodorant Wipes, odor neutralizing with coconut milk and pineapple. It smells like, basically smells more like pineapple with like a hint of coconut to it. Now I like to use these after working out. Now sometimes when I work out, just want to go and run my errands. I don't want to have to go take a shower, do all that stuff. So I just use this under my arms just to kind of freshen up. but I still will go over with a deodorant, especially if you've been sweating. Or I used this when we were on vacation last week, when we got right off the plane. Just wanted to freshen up because I could not take a shower. Love the scent of this because it does have that fruity scent, but you really do feel clean. You don't feel sticky. I think it is such a great product to have. This is also 100% cruelty free and vegan. That's everything I wanted to share with you guys for my August obsessions. I know I have been away for a bit, but I'm definitely back. Gonna be filming, uploading videos for you guys on a regular basis again. Thank you guys so much for all of your positive and encouraging comments, for all of your well wishes. For Darren, who is my son, I'm sure many of you guys know. I really thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Please make sure you guys comment down below of your August obsessions. I would love to know. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you guys smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. You might enjoy those as well. Thank you, love, so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.